Okay, and the final operation, the basic operation over here is rotation of the objects. So if you wanted to rotate a particular object, fine, you select the object, press R, and the object can be arbitrarily rotated. Rotation is in degrees, keep that in mind. Fine. And if you wanted to rotate an object, you have to understand this is a bit different than scaling and other things. You assume that these are kind of wires that are passing through the object. So if you take this single wire, consider this single wire passing through the object, and you try to move the object or rotate the object, it will rotate. This will be its pivot point, or from this axis it will rotate. Fine. Similarly, this is the rotation axis for Z, so it will move around this. So let us say if I wanted the monkey to move its head downwards and upwards, I will have to look a axis which will make the monkey head move for downwards and upwards, which is going to be X. This is, you have to decide. So select the object, rotate, and press X, and this is how it will rotate. Fine. So similarly, you could rotate it on Z, you could rotate it on Y. Fine. So this is how you can rotate the object. This is the rotation of the object. You could rotate the object by using the rotate tool, and this gizmo comes up over here, and you can click and drag the object rotation in this particular manner. Fine. Again, you should come out of the tool. So if you wanted to rotate some object very precisely, select the object, press R, and say like 45 degrees on X, or rotate on Z by 45 degrees. So you can rotate the object like this. Fine. Now, since we are talking about rotation, I will quickly discuss about something called as another orientation. These axes are global axis. Fine. Just like we have north, east, west, south directions, these are fixed directions. Fine. Now if I have to move the object or rotate the object or scale the object, there is another kind of axes or the orientation of the object. So notice these orientations are right now for the global system, like it's the directions for our working space. Now if I wanted to move the monkey forward, fine, and if I say grab, and if I say Y, the monkey is moving, but generally the understanding would be that the monkey should move in this direction where it is facing. Fine. So every object has its own orientation, and if we go over here, global to local, fine, and now if I say grab on Y direction, you will notice that a different Y axis has come up. This is the monkey's axis. Fine. They will move along with the object however they are oriented. So if I wanted to move the monkey in its orientation, I will use the local axis, and if I wanted to move the objects or scale the objects or rotate the objects in their orientations, then we will use the local axis.